Alright guys, this is going to be a very exciting video. Lots of you asked for this one. We're going to take a look at 5 apps that you can use to make money from just using your phone. But before we get into that, welcome to my channel. Tap that red subscribe button down below and make sure you hit the like button as well, because that helps me reach more people like you that want to find out about these amazing apps. I would appreciate that. Now next up, let's just count down from the number 5 app all the way down to the best app to make money from your phone. App number 5 is called The Plug. Now The Plug is an app that you can use to make money from your phone. The way this works is that the Plug app gives you various offers that you can start promoting. And this is based on a CPI model. And that stands for cost per install, meaning that you will get paid per install. For example, if they offer you $1 per install, you could make $100 if you manage to get 100 installs. If you would get 1,000 installs, you would make $1,000. And on air, you can actually choose an app to promote and then post it on your social media. Now you don't actually need to post it on your socials, you just gotta make sure that you actually get people to download the app using your own custom link. You can choose from high performing campaigns, copy the link and then download new app media daily. Now as you can see right there, right now I'm inside the app. And on air, you can actually find new app media that you can use to promote the offer. You can download these ads and then you can go ahead and share this on your social media. You can create YouTube content, you can share this in Facebook groups. There are tons of ways that you can use to promote these offers. And remember, you will get paid every single time someone installs the app using your own custom link. Now you can cash out anytime with PayPal, and that's what I did too. As you can see right there, I earned $533 with this app and I got paid directly into my PayPal account. Now I do gotta say though that this app is only available on iOS and in the United States, but don't worry, if you're not in the USA, you can still get this app by creating an American Apple account. I'm in the Netherlands right now and I managed to download the app as well. All you need to do is create an Apple account and tell them you're inside the US, and that's pretty much all you need to do. You can then open the App Store and you can go ahead and download the app. If you don't know how that works, then just find a tutorial on how to create an American Apple account on YouTube right now, and then you should be able to download the app. Once you actually get installs, you will earn plug coins. Now these coins are actually worth 5 cents. So one plug coin is worth 5 cents and you can then turn these coins into cash, as you can see right there. And that's exactly how you can actually go ahead and cash out. All you need to do is go to your profile, then go to your coins, and then right there you can actually enter your PayPal email address and you can then cash out your money. App number 4 is Google Opinion. Now this could be a surprising one because most of you don't know that Google actually has an app like this. And you know that anything made by Google is 100% legit. Now Google Opinion was launched as a survey app for Android and iOS. And on air, you can actually get paid to give your opinion. The reason why is because your opinion is valuable for companies like Google and they're willing to pay for this information. With this, you can get paid directly into your PayPal account. All you need to do is complete short surveys while standing in line or waiting for a subway. Get rewarded with Google Play or PayPal credit for each one you complete. So you will actually get paid directly into your PayPal account. Topics include everything from opinion polls to hotel reviews to merchant satisfaction surveys. Now we'll notify you when a survey is waiting. That's exactly what you need to do. And by doing that, you can actually earn Google Play credit or PayPal money. You will get paid directly into your account. And this is 100% legit simply because this is from Google, so they're not going to scam you. You can go ahead and download this app on the App Store and you can also get it on Google Play. And before we get into app number 3, let me know in the comment section down below where you're from so that I can find other methods that work in your country. And if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you do so that you will actually see these videos as well. Now let's get into app number 3. App number 3 is Telegram. Now many of you will know Telegram as a messaging platform, but there's lots of money to be made on Telegram. In fact, I made hundreds of dollars on Telegram, and this is how I got started in the make money online world. Now you actually have a bunch of market groups on Telegram where people buy and sell a lot of things, and I'll give you access to all of these market groups if you keep watching this video. Now as you can see right there, people are sending ads in these groups. they're selling stuff. But the good part about Telegram is that you don't even need something to sell yourself. In fact, I made all of this money without selling my own product or service. I simply played the middleman. Take a look at all of these payments I received from just one client. That's crazy, right? So the way this works, you basically find a service that someone is selling inside one of these groups. You then simply copy the ad and you raise the price. So you're pretty much going to do drop shipping but with a service. Then next up, once you actually raise that price, you're going to send your ad in all of these groups. Once you find a client, you will then get paid, let's say $100, while the OG service, the actual service, only costs $60, which means that you will make $40 in profit. And that's exactly what I use to make hundreds of dollars with this method. Now, it would be too much information for just in this video. So if you would like to learn exactly how this works, click on the video in the card right now, because I made a full video for you where I explain how this works, and in there I will also show you how you can get access to all of these market groups where you can then start finding these ads, raise the price and make profit. If you would like to do that, click on the video in the card and let's get into the next app right now. App number 2 is Field Agent. Field Agent is an app that focuses on finding opportunities for people like you to make money. Once you're in the app, they will give you simple tasks to complete. You need to go out there and complete the tasks in order to make money. Depending on the city you're in, you will either find a lot of jobs or no jobs at all. So if you're not in a big city, you might as well try any of these other apps, because I like to keep real and let you know that this one app is not going to be for you if you're not in a big city, okay? Now, Field Agent provides you with these opportunities, and once you complete the task, you will earn that money. Once you accept a job, you have 2 hours to complete it. Now, this could be as easy as going to your local shopping mall and taking a picture from a certain product. The reason why they want to pay you for that is because they want to find out how that product is displayed, and they can then learn from that. It's all about the information they're getting. Right now, you probably want to find out how that works. So they connect work with workers to offer data collection and digital marketing services. So this is actually about data collection, okay? And that's exactly why they will actually pay. This is available in 7 countries that have over 1.4 million active agents, and 1 million of those come from the United States, and they actually have over 1K partners. These are the countries that you can sign up from. So we have the United Kingdom, we have South Africa, Australia, Ecuador, Mexico, United States, and Canada. So you can use this app if you're inside one of these countries. If not, then let's just move on to the next app, and that's actually app number 1. App number 1 is Dosh. Now, Dosh is a trending app that recently raised over $44 million in investor money. Basically, how Dosh works is you can earn cash back, but not only that, they actually have a very lucrative affiliate program as well, where you can earn $5 per referral, meaning that if you get 20 people to sign up, you would make $100, and maybe you have a bunch of friends or family that would enjoy Dosh, and if you can get them to download the app with your own affiliate link, you could make some nice money. Or maybe you've got a decent social media following and explain how Dosh works and let the people that are interested sign up with your own custom link, and there you go. And if you don't have any of that, you can also create content, just like all of these people are doing on YouTube. They're actually making content about the Dosh app, and what happens is that every single time someone actually downloads the app using their link, they will earn $5. So if you can get your video up to like 1K views, and out of these 1K people, 100 people sign up using your link, you would already make $500. So creating content is definitely one of the best options to go about this. You can transfer your cash into your bank account, and you can also cash out directly into your PayPal account. Now, this app is actually available on the App Store and also on Google Play, and on here you're not going to earn points, you're not going to earn coupons, you're going to earn cold hard cash. Now, that's pretty much what Dosh is about. You can check this out, like I said, on the App Store and also on Google Play. Introducing Dosh, the easiest money you've ever made. So you can connect your card, shop and dine out, and you can then get paid to refer and transfer your cash. As you can see right there, refer your friends to Dosh and get $5 for each one who signs up and links a verified card. transfer your cash, do what you want, transfer your cash to your bank accounts, PayPal, or donate to charity from the app. So if you want to donate your money to charity, you can also do that, but I guess most of you will actually cash out directly into their PayPal accounts. Now these were the 5 apps that I wanted to show you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you go ahead and leave a like down below. That would help me out in the YouTube algorithm. I would really appreciate that. Now if you want to find these apps, you can go check out the description. I will actually line them up for you so that you can go ahead and get started with them. That's pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, turn on the post notifications, and then I will send you a message every time I come out with a new video just like this one for you to make money online. So make sure you go do that and then enjoy your day. Peace out.